Hi dears, how are you? I hope that you are all fine. Welcome back. This is our EVS go through session. Most of you write your exam nicely, but some of you make some small mistakes. Okay, now we have to clearly see what is the correct answer for this all questions. Okay, the first one is choose the correct answer. The first question is in which state well said Gandhidham and Ahmedabad situated? Okay, in our lesson, which are the states we see? Yes, Kerala. Yes, our first lesson we discussed about Kerala, but we didn't see the Maharashtra in our lesson. The correct answer is Gujarat. The Gandhidham is the main place in the Gujarat. Okay, so the correct answer is option A, Gujarat. The second question is Anita Kushwaga lived in which place? Yes, option A Rajasthan, option B Bihar, option C none. Anita Kushwaga lived in very good Bihar state. Okay. The third one is dash bees collect nectar from flowers. Yes, option A queen bee. Queen bee. What is the work of queen bee? Yeah, queen bee lays the eggs only. It's don't do any work. Okay. The next one is drone bee. The queen bee also has some work, but the drone bee haven't any work in the beehive. Okay, so the correct answer is worker bee. Okay, the fourth question is which tree is called apple of death? Moringa oleifera. Option A, Moringa oleifera. Moringa oleifera drumstick tree is most dangerous tree. No, every day we use the Moringa oleifera tree. Okay, the next one is B, Hyperion. Which is the Hyperion tree? Yet, yes, it is the world biggest and tallest tree in the world. Okay, it's not. It also not a dangerous one. The third one is mansional tree. Is this correct? Yes, very good, yours. The mansional tree is the most dangerous tree in the world. This fruit is called apple of death. Okay. The fifth one is dash tree bark is used to making medicine. Yes, using mango tree, we use the Mamidi Tandra only. Sorry, it's a fifth lesson. Okay, the mango tree we get more ripe and unripe mangoes, but the option A Gejadi tree is the more. Using the Kejadi tree, we make the medicine. Okay, so the correct answer is option A Kejadi tree. The second Roman is fill in the blanks. Okay, Gejadli village is located in which place? Yes, it is the desert place. Which state? Very good, Rajasthan. The seventh one is the Kejadli village people followed dash sentence. Yes, Agarber hein to hum hein. What is the meaning of Agarber hein to hum hein? Yes, the animals and plants can survive without us, but we can't live without them. Okay, it is the meaning of agar bel hein to hum hein. Okay, dears, eighth question is Anita wants to become a yes, very good wholesaler because he which business she was doing? Yes, beekeeping. Okay, so she want to become a wholesaler. Then the midday meal scheme introduced by yes, very good, the great K. Kamaraj. Okay. The 10th one is Dash is the richest train in India. Yes, very good. Maharaja's Express. Okay, dears. The third Roman match the following. Okay. The 11th one is honeybee. Which one is related to honeybee? Kamaraj? No. Rainbow eucalyptus? No. Beehive? Yes, this also bee, this also bee. Honeybee home is beehive. So it is the 11th one. The next one is kingmaker. Who is called kingmaker? Yes, the great Kamarajar. The most useful tree. Yes, drumstick tree. Drumstick tree. Another name is Moringa oleifera. Then Beautiful tree. Yes, rainbow also beautiful. That's why we easily find out rainbow eucalyptus. The finally Kamarajar. In which year the Kamarajar introduced the midday meal scheme? Yes, 1950. Okay, yes. The next one is answer the following questions. You should write the 2 mark questions in two words or 3 words. Then one sentence. It's enough for 2 marks. Okay. Who sent the strangers to cut the trees? You have to easily write the answer. You have to write the king only. Is this correct? But if you write the king only means I put 1.5 marks only, because you have to write the answer like a sentence, not a word. Okay. Who sent the strangers to cut the trees? The king. See this question. I write the king only my own words, but I complete one sentence. How? The king sent the stranger strangers to cut the trees. See this line. Send the strangers to cut the trees. If you write this kind of way means definitely I put 2 mark. Otherwise I put 1.5 marks only. Okay. The next one is what is mean by Chipko movement? Chipko movement means aimed at protecting trees and forest. Okay, Chipko movement is protect trees and forest. Especially the Amrita life is called Chipko movement. Okay, the next one is 18th questions. How many drones in each beehive? Yes, see this line. Each beehive, you have to write the each beehive in the starting. Each beehive has 4 to 6 drone bees. Drone bees means male bee. Okay, whatever you have to write the question and answer means must you should write at least one sentence for 2 mark questions. Okay, that's why if you write 4 to 6 drone bees, like that means this also correct, but I definitely I will less the mark. So if you have to write like a sentence, definitely I put whole mark. Okay, the next one is what is mean by nectar? It is a sugary liquid. It is collected by bees to make into honey. Okay, it is a sugary liquid. It is collected by bees to make into honey. The 20 questions. Why do we use red color light in traffic signal? Yes. See this question in traffic signal. I put the first line. In traffic signal, red color light. Red color light is used to stop vehicle. We know very well. In traffic signal, red color light is used to stop vehicle because it is visible from long distance. Okay, it is visible from long distance. That's why we use red color light in traffic signals. The next one is paragraph questions. Why the trees and buildings running in opposite direction while traveling? In this answer, in paragraph question, you must write at least 2 or 3 lines also. Okay. See this question, how you make your answer briefly. Okay. While traveling, I put the first word. Okay. The next one is the trees and buildings running in opposite direction. Trees and buildings running in opposite direction. It also come 1.5 lines. If you write your note means definitely it's come at least 2 lines. Okay. The next one is because trees and buildings are moving at some relative velocity. Some of you write simply the velocity only the answer. If you write velocity only the answer for this question means definitely I put 2 marks or 1.5 marks only. If you write more than 2 lines means I put the whole mark. Okay, So you have to take the answer from the question. Okay, you must take answer from the question using this way. Okay, what is the last word? You have to put in the first line. Okay, while traveling, trees and buildings running in opposite direction, because trees and buildings are moving at some relative velocity. Do you remember what is mean by velocity? Yes, velocity means direction of speed. It is dependent the distance and speed. Okay, that is called velocity. Velocity means direction of speed. You must remember in this word in your mind. Okay. The next one is, what does RT Act 2009? Yes, this provide the rights of free and compulsory education to each child to 6 to 14 years. Okay. The 23rd question, why we say education is most important? Because education gives knowledge for us. Yes, then education makes you confident. Yes, uh, if we are good educated peoples means definitely we will go any place with our own self confidence. Okay, then so knowledge is makes you confidence. The next one is turns your dreams into reality. In your childhood you are thinking, I definitely bought this kind of car, this kind of bike, then this kind of dresses also, like that you are thinking now. If you are in these dreams, definitely change to the reality means definitely you will must read. So the education is turns your dreams into reality. Then if we have knowledge, if we have confidence, if we have sophisticated life means definitely we will happy and stable life. Okay, so the education gives knowledge, confidence, and it's turn our dreams into reality. Then it's give happy and stable life also. The 24th question, what is the meaning of agar ber hein to hum hein? Just now I say plants and animals can survive without us, but we can't survive without them. Okay. The 25th questions, how do you calculate age of trees? Yes, we know very well. We can calculate the age of trees using by counting annual rings. We know very well how we count the annual rings. We clearly learn about our class. Okay. The next one is detailed questions. Question number 26, write down the impacts of deforestation. I just give the some notes for you. You have to write briefly. Okay. The first one is soil erosion. The soil erosion is the most drawback of deforestation. The next one is climate change. Yes. Nowadays also we face the climate changing. Yes. Okay, yes. The next one is, we know very well, if there is no tree means that place definitely face low rainfall. The next one is increase greenhouse gas. What is mean by greenhouse gas? Can you guess? Yes. The greenhouse gas is CO2. Yes. If we destroy the all trees means the trees only absorb the CO2. Yes, we release the CO2, the trees absorb the CO2, then the trees release the oxygen, then we absorb the oxygen. This is the routine process. But just think, if we are destroy the all trees means who absorb the CO2? It's so the greenhouse gases increases. That's why we face lots of problems also. The next one is global warming. Okay, the global warming is the major problem. That's why we face more natural disaster. Okay, then you have to write the answer briefly. The next one is question number 27. Describe about beehive and types of honeybees. What is meant by beehive? Yes, it is an enclosed structure. It is a enclosed structure in which some of honeybees live and produce their young ones. Okay, it is the enclosed structure. It is a enclosed structure. Then some of honeybees live and produce their young one. Okay, types of honeybee. What is, yes, we know very well about queen bee, drone bee, worker bee. If you have one interest, you have to draw the honeybee's picture also. Okay dears, this is our end of our lesson. If you have any doubt in this video means, you must make the call to me. Okay, definitely I clear your doubt. Thank you.